It is the duty of every Muslim to convey the message of Islam to the non-Muslims, to those who are unaware of it. It is compulsory on every Muslim to do dawah. Dawah means an invitation. And there are various methodologies of conveying the message of Islam. The most common methodology is when a Muslim meets a non-Muslim, he speaks 100 good points about Islam. Even if the non-Muslim, he agrees with all the 100 good points that have been spoken, yet at the back of his mind, he will have a few negative points. He may say, yeah, I agree what has been spoken, but you are the same Muslim who's a terrorist. You are the same Muslim who's a fundamentalist. You are the same people who spread your religion at the point of the sword. You are the people who subjugate the woman. These few negative points at the back of his mind will prevent him from accepting the beauty of Islam. That's the reason when I meet a non-Muslim, what I prefer, I ask him up front, what does he feel is wrong with Islam? With the limited knowledge, whether right or wrong, what does he feel is wrong with Islam? And after he's made comfortable and he's at ease, he poses 3 or 4 questions. And there are a set of 20 most common questions asked by non-Muslims regarding Islam. And these 3 or 4 questions, they invariably fall in the 20 most common questions. Every Muslim, he should be aware of these 20 most common questions, with references from the glorious Quran, authentic hadith, with reason and logic. How do these misconceptions arise in the minds of non-Muslims? Today, in the international media, there is virulent propaganda about Islam. The media, it is bombarding misinformation about Islam. Whether it be the international news channel, whether it be the radio broadcast stations, whether it be the internet, there is virulent propaganda about Islam in the international media. So every Muslim, he should be aware of these 20 most common questions. And wherever you go, these 20 questions, they are the same. There may be 1 or 2 additional questions, but the remaining 20 questions, they are the same, wherever you go. Like if you go in the Western countries, there may be an additional question: why does Islam prohibit the giving and taking of interest? But the remaining 20 questions, they are the same wherever you go. Like how, if you want to appear for an examination, you refer to the guide. In India, you have the Navneet 21 most likely questions to appear in the examination. If you want to get favorably good, not excellent, if you want to pass, as far as the examination is concerned, you refer to the guide. And you have such books in almost all countries of the world. Similarly, if every Muslim is aware of these 20 most common questions, he will do his fard and he will become a part-time da'i. So every Muslim, they should be aware of these 20 most common questions. As far as today's talk is concerned, I will not be able to cover all the 20 most common questions due to the time limitation. But you can go on our website, www.irf.net, where the answers are given in detail. As for those non-Muslims who go out of the way on anti-Islamic sites and get information against Islam, there are a set of another 20 common questions. So 20 common questions to those non-Muslims who have gone on anti-Islamic sites and have got information against Islam. That we won't be discussing today. Even that is there on our website, www.irf.net.